Yo, what is up, everybody? Bradley Walker here.
Jared, otherwise known as Seven.
In today's video, we're going to be doing a trade forecast for you guys on our Euro Great Britain Pound signal that we called out to our team. Thus far, we've hit about TP2. We are in 2 entries, riding this out to TP3. So we're going to show you why we hopped in this trade and show you what we are looking for to continue sending us to that third take profit zone. As always, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our videos. We're dropping content 7 days a week, not just on YouTube, but also on all other major social media platforms. So check out the links in the description to follow us on all platforms. Also, sign up for our free basic Forex trading course. Link is in the description, as well as sign up to our 7-day free trial for our Discord community. Also, link is in the description. We have our recommended brokerages in the description, as well as you can sign up at Webull and Robinhood and get a free stock on us. So check out the links in the description. We're going to hop over here on the MetaTrader 4 platform and show you guys the forecast for this trade. All right, guys, so we're going to show you the trades we called out to the team in the Discord. You can see right here on the 6th of August, Seven had called out a buy on Euro Great Britain Pound to our team. It retraced down a little bit, and we both kind of talked back and forth and decided to hop into another buy. So as we scroll up here, you can see we hopped in another buy right here on the 10th on Euro Great Britain Pound, and both trades are in profit right now. So going to hop over here on the charts, show you guys a forecast on these trades and just show you kind of why we took them and where we see them going. All right, guys, so hopping into the charts, we're going to show you why we took these trades. So you can see right here, we had our first entry on the 6th right here, actually came down and pulled back a little bit, might have been a little bit of a premature entry, but ended up coming out profitable in the long run. Anyways, we were pretty confident this was going up, but we actually ended up buying in again right around here on the 10th. So we had our second entry here, and we have our, actually, typically we do 5 reasons why, but like I said, the more reasons you come up with, the higher the confirmation, the higher the confidence in the trade. So you can see right here, we formed an SR zone, which if you followed our videos or followed us at L up until this point, you would know that's a support/resistance zone because they are interchangeable. And then we also have the H and S pattern, which is a head and shoulders pattern. Now, typically, I don't like the names of these patterns. I think a lot of these are just ridiculous, but the head and shoulders pattern, I'll show you exactly what we're looking at right here. So you can see right here, we had this zone being formed down here to the downside. This is the hourly chart. So you can see we were consolidating right here for quite some time on the hour chart. And then we also had, if you look, it's a head, and then you can kind of see it comes up as a shoulder. And then here would be like another shoulder over here. So I drew these lines to kind of show it looks like a head and a shoulder. You have the lowest low point of that in the middle, and then you have a shoulder on each side, showing you that the price tried to break down, but actually came up and retested where it was previously. So we saw that happening. On top of that, we had the EMA stack and cross over to the upside. I have my 5 EMA as red, I have my 20 EMA as white, and my 50 EMA as blue. So you can see right here, we had the 5 EMA cross above the 20, and then that 20 cross above the 50. We actually pulled back and came back down and retested and formed that second part of the shoulder. So we ended up holding this trade a little bit longer, but it actually started to go really nicely in the right direction. You can see here also reason number 3, the RSI was oversold. If we look down here, anytime you have this ROI set up, it has the 30 point, the 70 point. If it's at the 70 point, which it is right now, it's considered overbought, which you can see we're pulling back. If it comes down to the bottom at the 30 point, it is oversold, which you can see we actually started to pull back from that. Reason number 4 is the EMA stack and cross over to the upside. You can see right here, the EMA's crossed over again after forming that second shoulder and started to break out and push back up towards the upside, using that 5 EMA as a nice support to the upside. Reason number 5 is we had this SIR zone broken to the upside. You can see we had the top of this little head and shoulders pattern right here, and we actually ended up breaking up out of that. Reason number 6 being we also had another SIR zone broken, so you can see this consolidation zone before breaking down lower on the hour chart right here. We actually ended up breaking up out of that, and we're still pushing up nicely. If we had a reason number 7, we'd be looking for this zone right here to be broken, pushing us up even further. Show you guys right here. Going to clear all of this off real quick, and we're going to zoom out here on the hour chart. So if we zoom out here, you can see right here why we have this reason number 6. We have this zone that formed right here that we'd be looking to break towards the upside. We're also overbought slightly, so we're expecting to see a little bit of a pullback. Then we'd want to see this zone here broken before pushing us up to that 10% reward target. So just a quick little forecast, what we're looking at, why we got into this trade, where we expect this trade to go on the Euro versus Great Britain Pound trade that we called out to the team.
I guess reason number 8 would be, fundamentals as well. News coming out. There is if you watch our news forecast, there's some GBP news coming out next week, some Euro news, so that should impact things for sure with that pair. But sometimes fundamentals can, cause a delayed reaction, so it might not happen as soon as that news is out. And it can be an anticipation of news that's going to come out. Sometimes some of the calls that we put out, some of the signals we put out in anticipation of fundamentals and news coming out. So next week should have some positive news that brings the Euro GBP up and hopefully hits that TP3 or 10% reward. I guess we could look at the chart again, but there is a huge candle that happened like April 6th. So we're hoping something like that happens again. And also see, this is, I guess, a reason 8 why we thought here. You can see it broke under that zone. So we're expecting it to definitely make its way back on the upside. And this is on the daily chart. You can see, looks like the 5 EMA is possibly going to cross over the 20 pretty soon, probably sometime next week, and then that'll be even more confirmation on the daily chart. But you can see that huge candle on the 6th, hoping for something like that. That would smash through our TPs. So hopefully something like that happens. We're a little bit above where that candle is, so we'll see what happens next week. It's Friday today, so not expecting insane volume or anything, but we'll see.
But yeah, we definitely appreciate you guys for tuning into this video. We're trying to make these a little bit more advanced, more in-depth for you guys to give you guys value. But if you want the absolute best, most hands-on training, definitely hop into our Discord. Link is in the description of this video. You can get access to one-on-one trading sessions, live Q&As, copy our exact trades, have access to our updated news bot that's sending you live news updates on a day-to-day basis, multiple times throughout the day to make sure that you're staying up to date on that. Definitely like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to stay up to date on all of our videos, dropping content 7 days a week. Check out all the links in the description, get access to our free course, access to our Discord community, our recommended brokerages, sign up to Webull and Robinhood and get a free stock on us. Follow us on all other major social media platforms. Follow Seven and I personally at LowGod777 and at I am Bradley Walker on social media. And as always, thanks for watching.
Peace.